How to use Gemini in Android. Very simple, easy and quick to do. Just follow these steps. I will show you guys in this video. Head over to Play Store, and first thing that we will do is install Gemini app on our mobile phone. So we will use Gemini app. Click here, install Google Gemini, and once your app is installed, the next thing that we will do is open up this app right here, and once you click on it, it will open up a interface like this one. And now the next thing we want to do is set up Google Assistant settings, set up Gemini setting, which is our default assistant right now. Once you install Google Gemini, it will switch from Google Assistant to Gemini as your default assistant, so you don't need to go and change it by yourself. And next thing is we will head over to settings, and inside settings we need to go and enable some options in order to quickly set up Gemini. One is we will head over to Hey Google. Here we will enable this option right here, and we will also provide our voice match model in order for Google to recognize our voice. And next thing we want to do is Gemini on lock screen. You can go from here and enable this option as well. There's also this digital assistance from Google option, and as you guys can see, Gemini is the default one right now. And there are other options as well that you might want to look at and set them up according to your own preference. That's how quickly you can go and set up Gemini on Android, and now you can start using it on a single click. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.